my name's Saga and I'm a software engineer in London. I did study aerospace engineering at university, and so welcome to my channel. Today, what I want to talk about is this super cool piece of tech that I got from work. So it is a VR headset. I'm pretty excited to use it more often. I only recently got it on Wednesday, and it's just because the company wants to trial out people using VR headsets to work in meetings and enjoy time in VR and just explore the technology. That's in essence what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you what it's like in VR. So what headset I have is the Meta Oculus Quest 2. So yeah, it's the Oculus VR headset. So you have like this thing, which is the headset where you put over your head, and then you have a couple of controllers like this. But literally just before I started recording this video, I figured out that you don't actually have to use the controllers. Instead, you can just use your hands, and your hands sort of appear on the screen. So, but without further ado, let's jump straight into VR. Okay, so welcome to my humble abode in VR. As you can see, it is this pretty snazzy spaceship. So all these blue lines you can see are basically the edge of the boundary I created to make sure I don't bump into things in my flat. So in essence, I mapped out my flat so that I can walk around in my flat, but in VR without ever hitting anything. So as long as I stay in between these blue lines or the blue mesh around me, I should be fine and not walk into walls or trip over any objects. So let's have a wander around. We can go to the edge. Let's go over here and we can look over and see what's over here. So this is pretty mad because, you know, you can sort of, I don't know, it's just you're so immersed that you are hesitant to step over this white line. It's a bit scary, but yeah, it's overall pretty great. And in VR, it's great because you can walk around like so, and you're not going to bump into any of the objects because, as I said, the blue lines. So let me show you what my humble abode is like. So yeah, the blue lines disappear when you're in an area where you have a lot of room to move around, and ultimately it's super immersive and you get to feel like you're actually in space, especially in this one. But I can change the scenery, so let's go for, you know, something a bit more chill and less outer spacey. So let's change that. So if we go into settings, we can then go into virtual environment. So let's take a pick. You know, I think studio is pretty cool. Let's go have a look at the studio. There we have it. We are now in a studio, which is pretty cool, in the middle of a forest, or a jungle, should I say. So that's pretty awesome. We can even change it so that we're in a cyber city, whatever that is. So we're going to have to wait for this one to install because I've not tried it out myself. But it shouldn't be done. It's just nearly there. Look at that. Ticking over. And there we have it. We have the Cyber City downloaded. Let's apply it. And look at that. Okay, this is my first time seeing this, and I'm pretty amazed by it. So let's have a walk around over here. What's okay, there's the red, a bit close to the edge. So we see cola being advertised, which is pretty cool. You see like a maglev train or something over there. Some flying cars going about. Pretty cool setup, I'd say. Oh, you have a little desk over here. Nice. Alright, I'll show you some more things that you can do in VR. So, if you wanted to talk to friends and so on, you can just open the Facebook app and talk to them, but I'm not going to open it because I don't want to expose my Facebook group chats to everyone on the internet. But something that's really cool is, let's have a look at YouTube, right? Let's go into YouTube VR. Or what some of my videos on my channel. Let's see. Oh, we don't want to watch this. Don't want to get copyright strike. No. My videos. Let's have a look at what videos. Okay, let's look at this video. I've been asked this question many times through YouTube comments and Instagram DMs, and I think it's about time I made a video on this. So the question is, So yeah, you can pretty much get any YouTube video you want, watch it. You can even resize the screen. So whilst I'm watching it, just watch this. Is aerospace engineering hard to study? So this question is actually very difficult massive screen. To answer. Let me mute because shut up, Saga. What are you talking about? Anyway, there you go. Look at that. I muted him. My answer of how difficult it would be to study aerospace might not resemble how difficult you will find it to study aerospace. And if I were to try and answer the question of how difficult it would... I will show you what else you can do. So let's head back to the main lobby. I find a menu button. Oh, there you go. So quit. Now we're back in my... In essence, this is what you'd call the desktop screen of your computer, but the VR version of it. So that's where we are right now. Right, let's see what we have. So you have a little control panel here, which is like your taskbar on your computer. I can drag it around and put it wherever I want. Let's put it right here in the middle. Sweet, now we can see everything. So there's plenty of things you can do. Let's take a look at the let's look at the Netflix app. Okay, so I couldn't show you the Netflix app because apparently I'm not allowed to record that for, I guess, obvious reasons. But I will show you other stuff. So let's have a wander around and see what else there is. So let's have a look at the big screen. So big screen basically is an app where you can bring your friends over and you can watch things. You can hang out in like theater and stuff like that. So I will show you what that's all about. So here we are. This is basically my big screen house. So let's have a walk around. Oh, can't go this way. Go through here. That's the cool thing. Look at this. You can go straight through things and it's like, whoa. Okay. Let's have a wander around. So you can go down here. So I'm walking around my flat right now. I don't know. I can't see anything, but I have these guidelines to know where the edges are so I don't bump into things. So there we go. I can just have a wander around. Check out what there is. And also if I want to recenter the menus, I can just bring it back to me like right here. And there you go. I am now recentered. So let's have a look. What is this? Cancel this. Go back. So I can go into various rooms. Let's click on movies. See, you can rent out movies like this and go watch them in the cinema. So there is like a virtual cinema. So let's have a look. What's the lobby? Actually, I don't want to go in the lobby right now. My room. Okay, let's have a look. So I have different environments that I can go into. Let's have a look at the Grand Cinema. Yes. I wonder what the Grand Cinema will be like. Let's have a look at this. This is insane. I mean, imagine sitting right here, you know, take a seat on the screen. I get to look up at the Grand Cinema. As long as I'm not too far near the edges, you won't see the blue markings. But check this out, you know? I don't even have to leave my house. Cinema, which is scarily weird but awesome at the same time. So, yeah. Let's have a look. What else do we have? Let's bring the menu back here. Right, see. So, what else do we have? We can go and visit. We can see... How about, you know what? We'll go to my apartment. Ooh, actually, what else there is? There is a bedroom, kitchen, side room. See, even I've not explored this. So this is all brand new to me right now. So let's take a look at some other stuff they have. Ooh, Andromeda. Smart. You know what? This is a channel about all things tech, space, and coolness like that. So let's go to Mars. Let's experience what Mars is like. Okay. So I don't even know where this is. This doesn't even look like Mars. There's some madness going on here. Oh wow. Let's have a wander around. What is over here? Okay, this does not seem like Mars. Also the fact I'm like flying is a bit unnerving at the moment, but let's have a look what else there is. The canyon. Let's check the canyon out. What's the canyon like? Holy crap. Okay. Well, this is the canyon. My feet are feeling a bit tingly at the moment because when you look down, you are very high up, and it's so surreal that you are floating above the ground, especially at this height. which is insane. So let's choose a different environment. Let's go to Andromeda Galaxy. Okay, so now I'm in the Andromeda Galaxy. So for any of us who want to be astronauts or travel into space, VR is probably the next best thing to the real deal that you can experience, which is incredible. I remember the other day I was exploring VR and I was going into the ISS. So there was like another thing. I can show you that in a bit. Actually, we'll go visit the ISS. So where is this now? We're in Cassiopeia, which is I presume another galaxy or constellation or something. So yeah, it's pretty incredible to just look around and see stars. Right, let's head back. Let's find the ISS. Okay, so menu, quit this. Right, back into my humble abode. Actually, I'm going to change this back to the spaceship, because that is my favorite. Excellent, we're now in the spaceship. Okay, so I believe it was on the where's it gone? The TV app. And once stuff loads, okay, let's search ISS. Search. Let's have a look at some 360 ISS videos, hopefully. Which one would be cool? This one looks cool. Yeah, why not? Let's have a watch of this one. So here we are above the ISS. So the ISS is just beneath us here, and we can pretty much see Earth. The graphics are not like the best of the best, especially on this video. However, hopefully there will be better 360 videos coming out so you can feel more immersed in this environment. So let's take a walk around. Oh, what is this? We've switched directions. Now we're sort of like on the side. Right, okay. Wow, this is surreal. Imagine doing this in real life. Being an astronaut would be incredible. Right, let's have a look at what other videos are there. So we can go and check out. Oh, this is an interesting one. I've never tried this video, so we're both experiencing something new. Right, so what does this say? So during the lockdown in France, I watched a lot of documentaries about the ISS and about the astronaut. Oh, so this person made this. I see. Okay, so it looks like there's just this. Wow. So I'm here, and this, I believe, yeah, this is Thomas Pesquet, the French astronaut from the European Space Agency, just here. And it's pretty cool. Now I get to chill with him in this massive window on the ISS. You can see the Earth just over there. See if I duck down over here. That is pretty cool. That's amazing. Alright, let's head back. What else can we do on here? Actually, one of the cool things is that you can just surf the internet like normal. So, you know, if you want to have a look on the internet, we can just go browser. Opens up a nice browser. Say you want to Google something. Let's go on Google here. You can even resize the browser like so. So you can have a massive browser like this. Look at this. Look at this bad boy over here. This massive wide thing. Or you can have it so small that you like looking at it on your phone. So you can even position it wherever you want. So if I let me move this out of the way. See, I can just drag this wherever I want along here, all the way around, and I can position it however I want to. So I can keep it here. Might open another browser. Let's see if I could open another browser. Can I open another browser? Unfortunately, I can't. I thought you could open another browser. It's a bit disappointing, but So there we have it. If I drag this browser back into our middle. So there we go, and I can Google something. So the way you type is a keyboard appears like so, and you point and you have a trigger, as you can see on this animation on screen, that you type. So I can type in SA64R YouTube. There we go. There's my YouTube channel on the internet. Look how cool this is. Look how close we are to 1,000 subs. If this video is not out when it's by 1,000 subs, make sure you make it 1,000. Hit that subscribe button right here. But yeah, so you can search the internet pretty easily. Just open a new tab, go on Google, search what you want. Maybe you want to have a look at your stocks on Coinbase. Open this up. Open Coinbase, and you can be a virtual reality crypto trader. Now, if you told someone that 20 years ago, they would be like, what are you talking about? And I think that's pretty cool about technology. I literally just said a hypothetical job that was made up of words that people in the 90s had no clue about whatsoever. So that is pretty badass. So let's have a look at the crypto prices here. Oh yeah, so as you can see, you can have a look at the crypto prices right here on VR. So how more technology, I don't know, craziness can you get by looking at crypto prices in virtual reality in the metaverse? I mean, yeah, I don't know what more I can say really. So if you do have the opportunity to get a VR headset, or if your company, if you do work for a company like myself, is offering free VR headsets, make sure you do it because it's highly worth it. I enjoy spending time in VR because it's, frankly, less depressing than my stupid little flat in London. So there we go. That's my cool demonstration about my cool VR headset that I got. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know you didn't see much of my face because I guess you guys were my face in this video. So there we have it. Enjoy, and if you do like tech and software, do check my other video out telling you about what I actually do at work as a graduate right now. So see you guys later. Enjoy.